What if robots are your future colleagues? Ever wondered how this could change the way we work? Just a few decades ago, robots were the stuff of science fiction. Today, they're a reality that's reshaping industries, from manufacturing to healthcare and notably, e-commerce. One company at the forefront of this robotic revolution is Amazon, a giant that's harnessing the power of automation in ways that are game-changing, to say the least.
Amazon, the global e-commerce giant, set its sights on a futuristic endeavor: the creation of a new generation of robots. This venture, concealed behind closed doors, aimed to revolutionize not just their warehouses, but the very nature of work itself. The result was nothing short of awe-inspiring. How Amazon's robots are made. The birth of these Amazonian robots is an intricate process that melds cutting-edge technology and human ingenuity. It all begins with the initial conceptualization phase, where engineers and designers brainstorm the robot's purpose, shape, and capabilities. The heart of these robots is their artificial intelligence, AI brains, carefully designed to manage a plethora of tasks, from navigating warehouse shelves to packaging products with exceptional precision. These AI systems are fed a massive data set to fine-tune their decision-making abilities, enabling them to work efficiently and adapt to changing circumstances. The body of these robots is a masterpiece of engineering. Precision-crafted in state-of-the-art factories, they're assembled using top-grade materials, ensuring durability and reliability. Advanced sensors and cameras are integrated into their design to perceive their surroundings, avoid obstacles, and communicate with human workers seamlessly. The assembly process, carried out by a combination of automated machines and skilled human technicians, results in a robot that's ready to take on its role in Amazon's sprawling warehouses. Amazon's robots and the future of work. Amazon's new robots are more than just a marvel of modern engineering. They're also a game changer in the job market. These machines are designed to work side by side with humans, taking on repetitive, physically demanding tasks and allowing human employees to focus on more creative, complex, and customer-centric activities. While some worry about the potential job displacement, Amazon sees it differently. They envision a future where their robots enhance the productivity of their human workforce, offering new opportunities for learning, growth, and innovation. The fusion of human creativity and artificial precision, it seems, is the key to Amazon's vision of the future. Amazon's foray into advanced robotics heralds a transformation in the job market, where humans collaborate with machines to maximize efficiency and customer satisfaction. This change is not just confined to Amazon. It's a glimpse into the future of work across various industries.
Amazon's robots aren't just streamlining operations. They're potentially setting the stage for a future where machines and humans coexist in the workplace. This isn't some far-off scenario. It's happening right now, and it's poised to transform the way we perceive and perform work. So, are you ready for this exciting journey into the world of robotics and automation? Great. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of robotics, starting from their creation to their future implications. Before we see robots in action, let's understand how these complex machines come to life. The creation of robots is a fascinating journey that starts with a simple idea and transforms into a complex, functioning machine. It all begins in the design phase. Drawing from a well of creativity and technical knowledge, engineers use computer-aided design software to sketch out the robot's blueprint. They make critical decisions about its size, shape, and functionality, ensuring it's perfectly tailored to its future task. Once the design is finalized, it's time for manufacturing. Using materials like metals and plastics, the robot begins to take physical form. Each component is meticulously crafted and assembled, laying the groundwork for the intricate machine that's about to be born. But a robot is more than just a collection of parts. The heart of modern robotics lies in artificial intelligence. Engineers integrate AI systems into the robot, endowing it with the ability to process data, make decisions, and adapt to its surroundings. This is what sets today's robots apart, transforming them from simple machines into intelligent entities. Of course, no robot is ready for the world without some thorough testing. It's put through rigorous trials to ensure safety and efficiency, a step that's crucial to avoid any mishaps when the robots are placed in real-world situations. It's a final check that guarantees the robot can perform its task flawlessly and interact safely with humans and its environment. So that's how robots are made. From a concept to a design, through manufacturing and AI integration, and finally, rigorous testing. It's a blend of creativity, precision, and cutting-edge technology that brings these machines to life. But how are they being used in the industry? That's where things get really interesting. Let's take a look at Amazon's approach. Amazon, a global e-commerce giant, is leading the way in harnessing the power of robots. In an age where technology continues to transform every aspect of our lives, Amazon is making significant strides in the world of robotics. Their innovative use of robots is revolutionizing not just their operations, but the entire e-commerce industry. One of the stars of this robotic revolution is the Kiva robot. Imagine a warehouse filled with shelves that seem to move on their own. That's the magic of Kiva. These robots, looking like large Roomba vacuums, glide around the warehouse, moving entire shelves to the workers. This means employees no longer have to walk miles a day to retrieve products. Instead, the products come to them. The efficiency gained is staggering, reducing the time it takes to fulfill an order from hours to mere minutes. But Amazon's use of robots doesn't stop at the warehouse doors. They are also taking to the skies with their Prime Air project. The goal? To deliver packages to customers using autonomous drones. This revolutionary approach could potentially cut delivery times to as little as 30 minutes. It's a testament to Amazon's unrelenting quest for efficiency and customer satisfaction. And let's not forget Amazon's automated fulfillment centers. These colossal warehouses are a symphony of robotic efficiency. Robots perform tasks such as packing, sorting, and shipping, working seamlessly alongside human employees. The result is a process that is faster, more efficient, and less prone to errors. Of course, the use of robots is not without its challenges. Robots need maintenance, programming, and constant monitoring to ensure they are performing optimally. This has led Amazon to employ a new breed of workers, robot technicians. These individuals work hand in hand with the robots, ensuring they are always ready to perform their assigned tasks. And there's more to come. Amazon continues to innovate, exploring new ways to incorporate robotics into their operations. The company recently unveiled plans for new types of robots, including those that can handle delicate items or navigate complex environments. It's clear that Amazon's commitment to robotics is unwavering, and we can expect to see even more robotic innovations in the future. Amazon's use of robots is a game changer, but what does it mean for the future of work? The answer to this question will undoubtedly shape our world in the years to come. But one thing is certain. Amazon's robots are here to stay, and they are transforming the way we work, shop, and live. The rise of robots is inevitable, but how will it impact our jobs? This question has become increasingly pertinent as we see more and more automation in various industries, including the e-commerce giant Amazon. Let's delve into the potential impacts of this robotics revolution on the job market. Firstly, let's talk about job displacement. It's no secret that automation can, and will, displace certain types of jobs. Tasks that are repetitive, routine, and predictable are most vulnerable to automation. Amazon's Kiva robots, for example, have automated the process of moving shelves and products in warehouses, a task that was previously performed by human workers. However, it's not all doom and gloom. While automation may displace some jobs, it also has the potential to enhance others. For instance, with the implementation of robotics, there's a growing need for roles that involve maintaining, programming, and improving these machines. This creates new opportunities in fields such as robotics engineering and data analysis. Therefore, it's more of a shift in the types of jobs available rather than a complete eradication. Next, let's discuss the concept of upskilling. As the job market evolves, so too must our skill sets. In a world where robots are increasingly prevalent, individuals will need to develop skills that complement this technology. This includes skills that machines cannot replicate, such as critical thinking, creativity, and complex problem solving. Additionally, there will be a need for digital literacy skills, such as understanding how to operate and interact with these technologies. So, while robots may take over certain tasks, they also push us to become more skilled and versatile. Finally, let's consider the changing nature of work. The workforce of the future may not be a battleground where humans and robots compete for jobs, but rather a collaborative environment where each complements the other. Robots, with their speed, accuracy, and ability to work tirelessly, can handle the repetitive, mundane tasks. This frees up humans to focus on tasks that require empathy, creativity, and complex decision-making, areas where humans have the edge. Furthermore, the use of autonomous robots could lead to a more flexible and efficient work environment. For example, Amazon's delivery drones could revolutionize the logistics industry, allowing for faster deliveries at any time of the day. This not only improves customer service, but also creates roles in drone operation and maintenance. In conclusion, the rise of robots is a complex issue with both challenges and opportunities. It's a disruption, yes, but it's also an evolution. It pushes us to adapt, to learn, and to grow. It's not about replacing humans, but about augmenting human capabilities and creating a more efficient, flexible, and innovative workforce. While the rise of robots may disrupt some jobs, it also opens up opportunities for new ones, shaping the future of work in unexpected ways. So, as we stand on the brink of this exciting new era, let's not fear the rise of the robots, but rather embrace the possibilities they bring. As we've seen, robots are not just science fiction, they're here, and they're changing the way we work. From the intricate process of their creation to their fascinating integration in Amazon's operations, these advanced machines are undoubtedly transforming our workforce landscape. We've explored how Amazon's Kiva robots are revolutionizing warehouses, making the order fulfillment process more efficient than ever before. We've also delved into the potential of Amazon's Prime Air project, a remarkable leap in last-mile delivery using autonomous drones. Moreover, we've discussed the possible implications for jobs. Yes, automation may displace some jobs, but it also has the potential to enhance others. The trick is to adapt and evolve, developing skills that complement this advanced technology. The future of work may see us working side by side with robots. They'll handle the repetitive tasks, leaving us humans to focus on roles that demand creativity, empathy, and complex decision-making. So, are you ready for a future where robots could be your colleagues? Remember, every revolution brings challenges, but it also brings opportunities. Embrace the change.